got two Naviens. They're cascaded, and let's see, air history. E736. I think we got a 515 too. Oh. I was here the other day. I talked to Navien. E515, abnormal PCB, 736, abnormal Cascade communication. They told me I got to replace the control board. Right there. They said you get a 515 first, and then the 732, 736. They want me to replace. Then we got to redo the Cascade system. Never ran into this one before, but I usually work on boilers. And when I do boilers, I never really do Cascade stuff. Always usually working on a single boiler. Well, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. Let's see, how does this thing go in there? Okay. Jeez, what a piece. Oh, you guys. Probably unplug them all at once. Looks like they changed the board. It smells smoked. Smells toasty. Where'd that go? Right there. Smells toasty. Oh yeah. Smells like something got toasted. Oh, and I don't have a magnetic screwdriver. And I don't think it would matter anyways if I did. Oh, you suck. Two screws that hold it in. And nope. You can get one screw in there. Now I gotta figure out how to set up the Cascade again. Can't remember. Let me look. Alright, let me back out of here. Let's see what it does. So now they're just individual, not cascaded. Press and hold M and back. Then it goes to installer menu, Cascade status and settings, hit OK. Cascade info, number of units, and Cascade system settings. So we're going to go there. And we're going to hit start. Addressing now. I don't know if I'm supposed to wait. Oh, what does it say? Press OK button more than 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Waiting. Allocated. So that's allocated. So this one says if you want to finish allocation, press OK. OK. S1. It's got an M there. So now it is in Cascade. Not that bad. You just got to read the directions. So let me get this up and running, get their showers up and running, make sure they got hot water to the end of the house. Alright, that's all we had to do to set up, well, to repair the unit. That board smells smoked. It smells like something burnt on it. So we replaced that one. Simple to replace. The only pain in the ass is getting those screws back there. The one on the bottom I couldn't even get. But Cascade cable right here. And that goes over to the other one, plugs in the same spot on the board. And up and running. No more code. So that's the, what was that code? 515 and a 736. And you got to replace that. You get the 515 first, and then you get the 736. So that's going to be it for this one. All put back together and we're done. Man, it's like 5 o'clock and it's getting dark outside, man. I don't normally work on Navien Cascade systems. I just don't, because the areas what I usually deal with in residential, I got exhaust problems. What I usually deal with residential is, you know, one boiler, one water heater. We don't have many houses in our area that actually will support 2 water heaters, 2 boilers. We just don't have it. It's just not the area I work in. And but with this one was like home care. You know, they have a few different clients in there that just can't take care of themselves, so they got a lot of hot water demand. You know, they got like a 75-gallon tub, jet tub, that they got to fill up, and they just weren't getting the capacity. So then they went in there, and then all of a sudden it's flashing red. So then they called us. We installed those back a few years back. Don't ask. But then I went in there, found the, I think it's 736 code, and there was a 515, not sure. But apparently I called Navien. Navien's like, yeah, those codes go hand in hand, abnormal PCB and something with the Cascade system. I'm lost. So what they said is that they kind of go hand in hand, and that means the board's toast. Okay, it only happened on one. Actually, when I got the board out, I could just smell it. It's just, you can smell it burnt electronics. So they must have had some kind of power surge or something. So that is going to be it for that one. And if you get that code, that's what you need, is that board. So, but real simple repair. I did raise the temperature up 10 degrees, just due to the fact is the house is on a slab, no recirculation line, and it takes forever to get hot water to the other side. And I think there's got to be a lot of sand underneath of it, because water temperature from point A to point B is 10 degrees difference. It's just, I can get a guaranteed 120 out of the water heater, but getting it to where it's got to go, it drops 10 degrees. So I just gave them a little extra. I gave them 10 more degrees. They should be happier. And also, they had flow restrictors in their showers, and some of the showers, I know on the American standards, there's like a little O-ring in there. You pop the O-ring out, you got a lot more flow. So that's what I did for them. So that'll work better. So that's it for this one. Just a simple Navien repair. You guys know what you need to do. Hit up the GoFund Me. I'm still going back, and I gotta go to the hospital tomorrow. I gotta go back and forth to the hospital for my son. He is cancer free, luckily, but I'm still doing hospital stuff, constant hospital stuff. But I think tomorrow is the last one for a while. But now I got the aftermath of bills, through the last, since February. I'm still trying to catch up on bills because I haven't worked, and all the donations have gone for getting back and forth to the hospital, getting whatever he needs taken care of. That's what all the donations been going for. I'm just trying to catch up on bills now, just so we can stay afloat. I don't, it's getting to a point right now where, yeah, I'm working, but I got to catch up on bills, and you guys know how it is. If you can donate, please do. I appreciate it. My son appreciates it. Hit the Zelle, the GoFundMe, the Zelle, the Venmo, Amazon wish list for my son. He appreciates it. Getting a surprise in the mail every once in a while, it makes his day, because he's still, he's still down and out. I mean, he's trying to learn how to walk, and it's hard for him. And he has his good days and his bad days. Mostly good days, but he does have bad days still. So if you guys could, please donate if you can. If not, watch videos, get me some ad revenue. And we will see you on the next one. Like and subscribe.